Welcome to RenEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At RenEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. The global poultry industry has been facing mounting pressure to reduce its carbon footprint and embrace sustainable practices. As a response to these growing concerns, innovative solutions that incorporate renewable energy and energy-efficient technologies are emerging. In this video, we'll explore how the poultry industry can revolutionize its operations by integrating solar power, biomass energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, and energy-efficient practices into its daily routines. We'll also discuss the potential benefits and cost savings associated with these eco-friendly measures. Solar-powered poultry houses, harnessing the sun's energy. One way to introduce renewable energy into the poultry industry is by installing photovoltaic (PV) solar panels on poultry houses. Solar-powered poultry houses can generate electricity for heating, cooling, and lighting systems, reducing the farm's dependence on fossil fuels. Additionally, poultry farm solar water heaters can provide hot water for cleaning and sanitation purposes, further reducing energy consumption. Biomass energy in the poultry industry, turning waste into wealth. Poultry litter and other agricultural residues can be used as a valuable resource through the process of anaerobic digestion or combustion. Poultry litter biogas production generates biogas, which can be utilized to generate electricity. The solid byproducts can be converted into organic fertilizers, contributing to a more circular economy. Wind energy, harnessing the power of the wind. Poultry farm wind turbines can provide clean and renewable electricity to power the farm's operations. Wind energy is particularly useful in remote locations where grid connections are limited. By installing wind turbines on or near poultry farms, farmers can reduce their dependence on fossil fuels and decrease greenhouse gas emissions in poultry production. Geothermal energy, a natural heating solution. In areas with geothermal resources, geothermal heating for poultry houses can be harnessed to provide a constant and reliable source of heat. This reduces the need for fossil fuels, lowering the poultry industry's carbon footprint and promoting sustainable poultry farming. Energy efficiency, a key component of sustainable poultry production. Energy-efficient poultry production involves adopting technologies and practices that minimize energy consumption while maintaining or improving productivity. Some measures include 1. Using energy-efficient lighting, such as LED bulbs, to reduce electricity consumption. 2. Insulating poultry houses with appropriate materials and techniques, poultry house insulation techniques, to reduce heat loss, which can lead to significant energy savings. 3. Optimizing poultry farm ventilation systems to ensure proper air circulation and temperature control while minimizing energy consumption. Eco-friendly poultry farming practices, a holistic approach. To create a truly sustainable poultry industry, it's essential to adopt eco-friendly poultry farming practices that go beyond renewable energy and energy efficiency. Some of these practices include 1. Implementing net zero poultry farming practices, which aim to balance the farm's greenhouse gas emissions with an equivalent amount of carbon removal or offsetting measures. 2. Encouraging poultry waste to energy conversion, which helps to reduce the environmental impact of poultry waste disposal while generating additional income streams for farmers. 3. Participating in government programs and renewable energy incentives for farmers, which can support the adoption of sustainable practices and help finance the initial investment in renewable energy technologies. By incorporating renewable energy sources and focusing on energy efficiency, the poultry industry can significantly reduce its environmental impact and greenhouse gas emissions. Implementing sustainable poultry farming practices, such as net zero farming, waste to energy conversion, and participating in government incentives, can lead to cost savings and new revenue streams for poultry farmers. Adopting renewable energy and energy-efficient technologies in the poultry industry can pave the way for a more sustainable and environmentally friendly future. As consumers become increasingly aware of the importance of sustainable practices in agriculture, the poultry industry must adapt and innovate to meet these growing demands. By embracing solar power, wind energy, geothermal energy, biomass energy, and energy-efficient practices, the poultry industry can not only reduce its environmental impact but also enhance its competitiveness and resilience in the face of changing market dynamics. As the global population continues to rise and the demand for poultry products increases, it is imperative that the poultry industry finds ways to minimize its ecological footprint and protect the environment. Adopting renewable energy and sustainable practices not only ensures a healthier planet but also helps secure the long-term viability of the poultry sector. The road to a more sustainable poultry industry may not be without challenges, but the potential benefits far outweigh the obstacles. By integrating renewable energy technologies and embracing eco-friendly practices, the poultry industry can lead by example and demonstrate that it is possible to maintain productivity while prioritizing environmental stewardship. This paradigm shift will not only help safeguard our planet but also contribute to a more responsible and sustainable food system for generations to come. In conclusion, the incorporation of renewable energy and sustainable practices in the poultry industry is not only an environmentally responsible choice but also a smart business decision. By utilizing solar power, wind energy, geothermal energy, biomass energy, and adopting energy-efficient practices, poultry farmers can reduce their carbon footprint, lower operational costs, and meet the growing demand for sustainable food products. Embracing eco-friendly poultry farming practices, participating in government incentives, and working towards net zero farming will contribute to a greener future and ensure the long-term success of the poultry industry. It is time for the poultry industry to take a bold step forward and become a leader in sustainability and environmental stewardship. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.